Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present my AAT Tech Talk of cybersecurity, and I'm Kishan Agarwal from CSCB, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. And my topic is making Internet of Things, that is IoT, real. So let us move into the topic by giving a quick introduction to what is IoT. So what is IoT? Which will be expanded as Internet of Things, is a network of devices connected with each other, cloud services, exchanging data to enhance operations and functionalities. So we have seen a exponential growth of IoT devices. By 2020, 21 billion devices connected. That is projected to be 3 trillion in the upcoming years by Gartner report. So what is the significance of IoT? IoT as a foundation for business innovation, integrating products, customers, and operations. That is digital feedback loop. So this IoT is driving the next wave of innovation in both business models and technology. While the IoT revolution, as it is being called, promises to be a major driver of economic activity and many businesses in the coming onboarded. If it is not approached with both business and technology perspective together, the desired outcome may not always be achieved. So we are going to discuss IoT as a business revolution driven by technology in this presentation. So as we have discussed, it is a collection of devices connected with each other uh, with services in cloud or edge of the network using standard based interoperable communication protocols in order to share data. There may be number of devices connected to form IoT infrastructure, and we have discussed how these devices may be increased to 3 trillions in the upcoming years. So a substantial portion of the value of IoT will come from business to business interactions, that is B2B interactions, according to some papers, or I can say some studies which are held. Leveraging this opportunity effectively to drive business results remains a challenge. And we are going to discuss how these existing businesses are adopting this IoT and transforming themselves. So while IoT at times is touted as a technological revolution, we posit that IoT is a business revolution enabled by technology. One way to look at the business revolution is that digital feedback loop, or that connects business to products and then to the customers. This is a loop: business to product, product to customers, and then again customers to business, enabling better products and customer insights, which in turn connect businesses to assets, enabling transformational optimizations and all. So let us move to our next slide. IoT as a business revolution. So what is the role of it? IoT's role in business. While seen as a tech revolution, IoT is primarily a business transformational tool, which I already discussed. Digital feedback loop. We have seen how business can help giving feedback from business to product, product to customers, customers to again then business. So it is a loop, connects products with customers to generate insights and improve offerings. Value creation. Businesses use IoT to refine products, gain insights, and improve assets management driven growth through enhanced data feedback. These are the business drivers for IoT adoption. Transformation, that is reimagining business process using IoT. Efficiency, optimizing operations such as supply chain and customer services. Monetization, new revenue models and opportunities. New products, creating connected products or enhancing existing products with IoT. The other includes scalability, that is connecting millions of devices effectively. Manageability, that is efficiently managing large scale, geographically distributed devices across the globe. Security, which is a critical aspect for safeguarding IoT components such as devices, networks, cloud, all the data which is stored or gathered from different IoT devices need to be securely stored, transferred, and analyzed. Reliability, ensuring continuous, stable operations of IoT infrastructure. Next comes the privacy, that is protecting business and user data. So let us see a case study. So see, businesses are already taking advantage of IoT. So what we are going to describe using this case study is a real business adopting IoT to achieve their stated business goals. So how these business uh, drivers are important to the business and the top technology drivers selected for the final design of the IoT deployment. Steelcase. Steelcase has been a successful manufacturer of furniture for offices, hospitals, and classrooms. However, Steelcase realized there was an opportunity to transform from a furniture manufacturer or supplier to a provider of workspace solution. So this is a scenario of Steelcase, which is providing manufacturing furniture for multiple organizations like offices, hospitals, and classrooms. So we are going to discuss what are the key business drivers for his business. Transformation, first of all, of existing business was the key business driver to enable a smart and connected workspace for their customers. The simple example often given is that of a steel case client who was considering building more meeting rooms, uh, as they were always booked in reality. These meeting rooms were often booked by a single individuals to take phone calls, or some client needed more phone rooms and could address this need more easily and more quickly than building unnecessary large meeting rooms. So this is some type of transformation. We'll see another key factor, that is efficiency. Efficiency was the next business driver for Steelcase through a product called Workspace Advisor, which is a workspace intelligence platform enabled by sensors installed on Steelcase furniture and connected to a dashboard. So how this works, Steelcase customers can make data-driven decisions to boost productivity and creativity in their offices. So this is what efficiency as a key factor. Um, Next is the new revenue. How new revenue can be created. So creation of a new line product were to additional business drivers for Steelcase, enabling whole new smart building scenarios in the form of monitoring space occupancy and leveraging those insights to drive worker efficiency. So Steelcase was then able to leverage the benefits of IoT and introduce a new line of connected products. Rather than just selling furniture, Steelcase evolved to sell intelligence-based solution, providing a whole new revenue stream and much more satisfied, successful customer. Yes. So how this is how IoT integration in the business of a normal furniture seller or manufacturer created new source of revenue. So Steelcase evolved into an intelligence-driven business, offering insights into workspace utilization. The other key factors, which are security and what manageability. So security was one of the top technology driver for Steelcase. So they were able to achieve the right level of security for the various connected products by leveraging the advanced security features of an existing software product. They further included security evaluations by evaluators to discover any security flaws and risk in end-to-end IoT infrastructure. Next comes our manageability of the large-scale IoT deployment. Requirement for smart building was another technological driver for Steelcase. With advanced device management features, Steelcase was able to not only deploy a large fleet of IoT devices in smart building, but it also manage all aspects of these devices remotely at a scale. So this is the manageability using these IoT devices. The last one is architectural diversity. This was the another technological driver for Steelcase, since many buildings require varying level of analytics and insights, either on premises or entirely on the cloud. So it required both a cloud-based IoT solution as well as on-premise IoT implementations. So with this symmetry between cloud and on-premise deployments in terms of programming and application models, moving parts of whole application from cloud to edge, this became a reality. So this was the furniture case study. Now we'll see another case study of a kitchen bath. So Kohler has a long been a marquee name in the kitchen and bath space. Understanding the organization must embrace new disruptive technology to remain industry leader, and that the age of smart homes is rapidly approaching. This company is 145-year-old company looked to IoT to re-revolutionize experience in kitchens and bathrooms. Same again, what were the key decision or key drivers were the same transformation, how it transformed his business. It was primarily driven by IoT. Specifically, Kohler wanted to move from manufacturer of tubs and toilets into a digital leader in the smart home revolution, where connected kitchen and bath products were only the first step. After that, business driver for Kohler is a combination of creating a new product and creating new capabilities. To realize the goal of leading the smart home movement, uh, Kohler needed to start by creating new line of connected smart kitchen and bath products. However, their ambition was not limited to revenue from a new product offering. A Cola wanted to leverage IoT to offer innovative product capabilities that provide an customized experience. So imagine a bathroom with analytical abilities that combines your habits and performance, like water temperature and how long it take you to get out of bed after you hit snooze, with an analysis of external data like weather forecasts and communicate times to truly connect your life. This is so customized. Next comes our security and privacy of the customer data. That means choosing right technology to for IoT vision so much that Cola ran an independent comprehensive security audit for every aspect of the solution, from cloud data centers to the cloud networks and the connection to the connected toilet themselves. Kolar ensured that IoT-based solution meet their end-to-end security and data privacy needs. Next is manageability. Needed a scalable solution to manage uh, across its devices. Solar solution would need to survive the entire continental United States at launch and later supports markets across the globe. So as well as support firmware update and manage evolving, expanding infrastructure. Since we're few manageability, scalability is another important aspect in deployment. In this case, the first step is building out connect product portfolio. This meant that picking up IoT offerings that could connect and properly support billion of devices. Of course, not now, in future. So they use extensively Microsoft Azure IoT as a technology to drive business and transformation. So these were the two case studies we have seen in the business. So emerging IoT business models, hardware as a service. offering hardware with value added service, which are highly scalable and also um, capital friendly. That means eco friendly. Example, jet engines with IoT for predictive maintenance, providing new revenue through maintenance services rather than just product sales. Significance, it allows traditional products to be re-envisioned as ongoing service platforms. This creates new products, new services, and an innovation type of culture in the company. Edge computing and digital twins. Edge computing, moving data processing closer to the devices, which ensure low latency, that means faster response and reduce data transfer to the cloud. Digital twins, that is virtual model that replicate physical environment, creating a visual and data-driven representation of assets and their relationships. Security challenges, of course, it is a big uh, key factor in IoT, which differs from IT services due to its unique infrastructure and device requirements. Next comes the standards. Like everything needs to be standardized for easily accessible and to spread across the globe. The convergence of the IoT with traditional IT systems necessarily new standards across various industries like healthcare and manufacturing need to be designed. So let us discuss what are the future of IoT. See, IoT has grown from healthcare, smart cities to manufacturing. Like we have seen how a small furniture based manufacturing business have grown up to a different level using this IoT. Expected progress in edge computing, fog computing, cloud computing. These are the three layers of computing which provides different data transformations and management and processing, of course. Digital twins, which we have already seen, and unified standards for security and interoperability. So to summarize, IoT as a transformative tool for business and technology. And successful adoption of IoT requires aligning business and technology drivers with our traditional business. Thank you.